Quarantine, quarantine, quarantine. Stuck in the house. I thought it was Tuesday, but my wife was like, nah, it's Wednesday. I was like, you sure? And I asked Google, and Google was like, yeah, it's Wednesday, you dummy. I've been talking to Google a lot too in the house, so. Hey Google, stop. See what I'm saying? So today's drink is gonna be a Cosmo, since I thought it was Tuesday and wasn't sure the day of the week, and then I was like, I don't think I showered yesterday. So I did that, and now I'm gonna make a nice clean drink to represent how clean I feel. So it's Cosmo. We're gonna use Ketel One citrus vodka, again with the triple sec, cranberry juice, lime, and then we'll garnish it. So let's get started. I'm making two, again, because my video production assistant is likes to drink these cocktails as well, so surly customers trying to sneak back in the room every time he hears something happening and thinks it's for him. Stay out of here again, sir. Out. So 2 cocktails, 2 glasses. Start with the citrus vodka, 2 ounces. I know y'all like, where's your measuring cup? All the stuff you use when you're at work. I've been doing this a long time. I don't really need that stuff. That's so I can have a job. An ounce of this, triple sec. And ½ ounce of this cranberry. I like my little more red than that. And lime juice. Another little helpful hint is you're gonna make cocktails at home, you get some of these little water bottles and put your juice or your mixes in it, and it's easier than keeping it in the big bottles they come in if you're buying it like that. Because I know y'all have water, because I went to the grocery store and I couldn't wipe my butt either because y'all took that and the toilet paper. So use your water bottles for other things. Squeezing lime juice. And we'll get our garnish ready. This is going to be a little twist of this lemon. And I like this little boop. Fun part. Mixing them up again. Don't try that at home. I had a stunt double actually for that whole scene right there. It's amazing. One for me. One for her. Garnish again. Squeeze, rim, drop, squeeze, rim, drop. The Cosmo. Enjoy it.